Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen butternut squash cubes in the air fryer. So all we need is a bag of frozen butternut squash. This is a great kitchen shortcut. They're already pre-cut, so you don't need to struggle with cutting squash. Cooking it straight from frozen, no need to defrost. And you also need cooking spray so it doesn't stick to the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket and spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with olive oil or vegetable oil. And now I will open a bag of frozen butternut squash and let's dump it in the air fryer. So put it in a single layer. And now let's put this in the air fryer. And now I will set the air fryer temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now note that this particular brand of the frozen butternut squash has very, very small cubes. If what you're using has bigger cubes, then put the time to 15 minutes, and for even larger cubes for 20 minutes. So basically check at the end. If they're not cooked, you just add more time. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the butternut squash cubes so they cook evenly. And put it back in the air fryer so it finishes cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Perfectly cooked butternut squash cubes straight from frozen. They look so good. Now let me transfer them from the air fryer to a plate. This looks amazing. It's soft and perfectly cooked. So healthy and delicious. And now you can season butternut squash with seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use cinnamon and maple syrup. So I will just sprinkle it with cinnamon. And drizzle with maple syrup. Delicious. Looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Looks so good. Now let's try it. So tender, sweet, and delicious. You will love cooking frozen butternut squash in the air fryer. So easy, healthy, and tastes so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!